General Huda. I agree when you say that we shouldn't really be pointing fingers at the military intelligence. I'm sure they've had their success stories as well, but unfortunately, I think in case of intelligence, they're generally known by their failures, not their success.
True.
Zenuda, let's move to major structural changes in the Indian military. And the two most recent ones have been the creation of the post of CDS and the proposal to set up joint theatre commands. So, how do you see these efforts towards jointness and integration figuring in the overall evolution of the Indian military doctrine? And do we need more organizational restructuring within the MOD to make CDS more effective?
So Divya, I think there is an increased understanding, within the military that we need to integrate, the three services. We need joint planning. We need joint war fighting structures. You mentioned theater commands. Uh, you know, to bring all the three services together, the need to have integrated theater commands. Right now, the situation is such that if you take the Air Force commands and the Army commands, they're not even co-located. So there is no command, which is Air Force command or Army command, which is in the same station. They are all in different stations. So it doesn't, do much for synergy. So I think there is an understanding. How fast we are going to move towards it, I think is the real question. In the past, the services have got used to sort of planning in their own individual stovepipes. And so to break through that and think together is something, which the CDS now will have to do. And I think what it requires is a quiet debate among the senior leadership and the CDS. Um, I think sometimes proposals coming out in the media before they've even been discussed in the service headquarters to me is counterproductive, because then it just sort of invites an unnecessary debate among the serving community, among the veteran community. So a quiet sort of debate and discussion between the three service chiefs, the CDS, on what should be the shape of these future organizations, what should be the command control arrangements, that needs to take place. I think we will get there, maybe slowly, because reluctances that are there in some services about integrated commands, would have to be sort of overcome and broken down. But as I said, there is understanding that we need to move ahead into these areas. The reorganization of Ministry of Defense certainly required. We've been talking about an integrated Ministry of Defense where the uniformed people and the civilian staff, are completely mixed in various organizations. There's greater understanding of each other's position. That needs to be done. The Department of Military Affairs, created under the CDS, is one such step. But I think we need a fully integrated Ministry of Defense. It'll bring in much greater efficiencies. It'll speed up various processes, including weapon procurement, etc. If you have a completely integrated Ministry of Defense.